All right, easy now. Pull back a little and slow it down. We're almost level here.
Lower it slowly, watch the connection plate.
All right, easy now.
Looks good, set it down. Okay, easy now, bring it down slowly.
Watch the left side, clear the frame.
Looks good, set it in. You missed a spot right here. Make sure it's fully sealed before we move on.
All right, I got it. That looks solid. Great job.
Yeah, it turned out perfectly. What a spot.
Another flawless install.
The veining on this slab is exceptional.
Okay, lift it up. Watch the bottom.
Got it.
There we go. Slides nicely. All right, push it back just a bit.
Is that centered?
Yeah, that's perfect. Nice work.